FutureDoc is a programme set up by Dr. Ash Hilton, who has gone through med school himself.
It guides you through every single stage of the process.
It really gives you all the support and the help that you need if you were applying to medical school.
I really just didn't know where to go. I didn't know where to find my resources.
I just felt so chaotic in my application.
It was kind of like trying to find support from here, from there. It was very all over the place.
So my favourite thing about FutureDoc is the one-to-one monthly sessions they offer with a specific mentor from the uni that you want to apply to.
The Q&A Zooms that we do once a month, those are helpful when you know that someone else is going to have the same question as you at some point.
So they introduced me to a personal tutor, and that's where they told me how to structure some questions, how to answer.
And then we can actually formalise a plan that's like specifically and aiming towards my weakness.
There's some great speakers that come in to explain parts of their speciality. It's just a really good way to understand the exam as opposed to what you need to know for it.
I think it's good practice in just having that conversation with people who want to ask you those types of questions, because you can't really do that at home.
FutureDoc just brings everything together into one place, and I just feel so supported, and I'm on a journey with everyone else.